What is going on YouTube? I have just got a package from Amazon. Very exciting. It's the new Adidas, however you want to say it. The new FIFA World Cup 2026 hoodie, official. I was going to get it from the website because I got Amazon Prime. I thought I might as well just get it Amazon Prime. I don't have to pay any postage, any shipping. So I thought I'd do a little first look. Haven't seen any videos on it yet. We shall see. Have a little look. We shall see. Have a little look. There it is. Ooh. Little Adidas logo. I'm going to say Adidas because that's what I call it. I know people call it Adidas, but not me. Okay. Ooh. There's a little World Cup 26 tag, hologram, official. There it is, FIFA 26 with the Adidas logo. Hope you can see it okay. On the sleeve, look at that. We are 26. You see that good? Trademark, so they didn't copy it. How cool is that? World Cup 2026. And then the back. Ooh. Look at that. Canada, Mexico, and USA on the back. FIFA 2026, and there's the World Cup. How cool is that? Very cool. Okay. Put it on. Very nice. I love the sleeve print. Bit of a twirl. How good is that? Thanks for watching, guys. World Cup 2026.